everyone, this is another short video with, as usual, normal question limits. Okay, let's see how we can manipulate this. It says find the limit as x tends to minus 5. That's when the limit will be difficult to deal with. X tends to minus 5 of x squared plus 3x minus 5 over sine x plus 5. So you see clearly, if you substitute x is equal to minus 5 into this limit, you will not be able to have a defined expression. It's going to be division by 0, which is undefined. So the best thing to do is to kind of manipulate it. Okay, let's see if the limit actually exists. So solution. The first idea is to factorize this expression. So we have limit as x tends to minus 5 of x squared plus 3x minus 10 over sine x plus 5. So you know I cannot substitute x is equal to minus 5 for this same reason. Okay, so that means that this becomes equal to limit as x tends to minus 5, factorize this, x squared plus 5x minus 2x minus 10, everything over sine x plus 5, like this. Okay, this becomes limit as x tends to minus 5 of x plus 5, right? Then x minus 2 over sine x plus 5. So the key again is this: the limit as x tends to 0 of sine x over x, I've given you this key already before, is equal to 1. This is the key. Okay, this is the key. This is what I'm going to see that it is applicable on this. So I'm going to apply it on this now. But this doesn't tend to 0. But you should note that if x tends to 0, then x plus 5 also tends, if x tends to minus 5, then x plus 5 also tends to 0. So as x tends to minus 5, then x plus 5 tends to 0. That's the idea. So I have this sort of a limit here. Okay, so now I'll manipulate this. So this whole thing becomes equal to limit as x plus 5 tends to 0, because as x tends to minus 5, this whole thing tends to 0, of, let me kind of rearrange it. This is x plus 5, everything over sine x plus 5, okay, times x minus 2. So I have this sort of expression here now. See it? Okay, so I can split it up to give me, this is equal to limit as x plus 5 tends to 0 of x plus 5 over sine x plus 5, like this, times limit as x tends to minus 5 of x minus 2. Is the same thing as x tends to minus 5, this one tends to 0. Okay, that's it. Or as this whole thing tends to 0, x tends to minus 5. That is it. Okay, so if I do the substitution, you see clearly that this gives me 1. This is the key, right? Whether it is this over this or this over this, the idea is that as x is reducing, or this one is going to 0, this one is also going to 0, so the whole expression goes to 0. So that means that I have, if I do the substitution now, I'm going to have, this is 1 now, times, then I'll put x is equal to minus 5 in this, minus 2. So my whole answer is minus 7. See that? Thank you. Short video. Thank you.